Channel students, today we will discuss very interesting topic in physics, refraction of light. First of all of us know what do you mean by light? Light is a form of energy which always travel in a straight path. Now what is refraction of light? Refraction of light means bending of light. What is bending of light? Bending of light, when bending of light take place, when it travel from one medium to other medium. Okay, one medium to other medium. That bending of light is called as refraction of light. Clear, student? Bending of light as it passes from one medium to another is called refraction of light. So you can see in this animation this animation shows us the light rays, they will fall on a glass slab, and when the light rays fall on this glass slab, the surface which is separating the two media, at that surface the light will bend. Okay, now the question is here, why this bending of light take place and how this bending of light take place. First I'll give you the answer of the question, why this bending of light take place. Bending of light take place, I told you, when it travel from one medium to another. So what changes happen when it travel from one medium to another? Now first, what is medium? Medium here, student, can be anything like air, a material from which the light is traveling. Air is a medium, water is a medium, glass is a medium, kerosene is a medium, so on, etc. Okay, these all are medium from which the light rays are passing. That is medium. Now, if the light travel in one medium, it will always travel in a same path, same direction, straight path. But when the medium will change, like suppose we have here a glass slab. Okay, this is what we have, air. This is what we have, glass slab. Mediums are different. One medium, first medium is what? Air. The second medium is what? We have glass. Now the students, suppose this is a normal here I draw here. What we call this line? Normal. When the light rays will fall here at certain angle. Okay, what angle? We call this angle as angle of incidence. Then these light rays will not go straight, okay, as it is going in medium air, okay, medium 1 air. It will bend at this surface which is separating the two medias. Which two media it is separating? Air and glass. Clear, students? So how this bend, this light ray will bend. This is a light ray. How this light ray will bend? It will bend towards the normal. This angle is called angle of refraction. Okay, now I am saying this is refraction of light, as the light rays will travel from air to glass. There is change in the path of light. The light rays will bend towards the normal. Okay, now why this is so? Why it is bending when it is going from air to glass? Okay, but the answer is the speed. What is the answer? Speed. The speed of light is changes. Speed of light is change when it will travel from one medium to another. Okay, now there are two types of medium. One is rarer medium, another is denser medium. What is the difference between two? The speed of light, okay, depends upon the speed of light difference. If the speed of light is more, and that is called as rarer medium. If the speed of light is less, that is called as denser medium. Clear, students? If the speed of light is, what I am saying, let me correct this. If the speed of light is more, we call that medium as rarer medium. If the speed of light is less, that medium is called as denser medium. Okay, now when the light rays, as I told you, air is which medium and glass is which medium? First let me explain this. The speed of light in air is 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second, and in this glass slab the speed of the light is 2 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. Okay, so now what is the which is the rarer medium? Air is a rarer medium and glass is which medium? Denser medium. Why so? Because in air the speed of light is 3 into 10 raised to power 8, which is more, and in glass the speed of light is 2 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second, which is less. Okay, so this is difference between rarer and denser medium. Now students, when the ray of light will go from rarer to denser medium, it will always bend. Bending is there, but how it will bend? It will bend always towards the normal. It will bend towards the normal. Clear students? And when the ray of lights will travel from denser to rarer medium, it will always bend away from the normal. Clear? Now I'll tell you how. Okay, look this video. There is this in this video you can see there is a laser light. When the laser light is coming from air to glass, now air to glass is which medium? Rarer to denser. Air to glass slab is which medium? Rarer to denser. So it is bending towards the normal. But as the light rays, this laser light is going from denser to rarer, means from glass to the air, it is bending away from the normal, or this phenomena is called refraction of light. You can observe this phenomena from this video, in which video when the light rays are coming from rarer to denser, it is bending away from the normal, and when it is coming from glass slab to air, it is bending away from the normal. The reason is in front of you. Rarer is which medium in which the speed of light is more, and denser is which medium in which the speed of light is less. I hope it is clear. Okay, if it is clear students, I want to add on this one thing, that why the speed of light will be decrease. Okay, why the bending is towards the normal in the case when the light is going from rarer to denser medium? We know that children, the speed is nothing but distance upon time. Now speed is decreasing as it is going from rarer to denser medium. Time, the term here is fixed. What is time? Time is the time period of the number of light rays which are coming from the source. Now source is fixed, whether the light rays are going in the rarer medium or in the denser medium, the source is fixed. Okay, so the time period is also fixed, it will not change, but the speed is decreasing as it going from rarer to denser. If speed is decreasing, distance will also decrease. Why it will decrease? Because they both are in direct proportion. So what is happening children? When the light rays will go from the rarer to denser medium, the speed decrease. Now if the speed decrease, if the light ray will go like this as straight, now its distance will not change. It should be changed because the speed is decreasing and they are in direct proportion. To decrease the distance, there is a bending of light at this surface which is separating the two medias. And how it will bend? Towards the normal. Okay, it will bend towards the normal. Okay, so by bending towards the normal, it is decreasing the distance because they both are in direct proportion. So far I hope it is clear to you what is refraction. Refraction is bending of light rays at the surface separating the two medias. And how bending of light take place? When it will go from rarer to denser medium, it will bend towards the normal, and from denser to rarer medium away from the normal. Check this this here, one more video is there. They are showing here a source of light from which the light is coming, falling at a certain angle, and when it will fall on certain angle, there it will bend towards the normal. Why? Because from air to water it is moving, it is traveling. Okay, so students, now we will discuss the real life examples of the refraction of light. Now look here in this picture, what we are observing here, that there is a glass in which they have kept a pencil. The pencil appear as bent. Why this bending of pencil take place here? The answer is the pencil appears bent because of the refraction of light. I will show you how. We know that when light will travel from denser to rarer medium, it will bend away from the normal. Okay, same is happening here, children. Same is happening here. Normal. Okay, now this is which medium? This is which medium, students? This is a, look, I will explain you in detail, don't worry. So this is which medium, students? This is a denser medium. So air is which medium here? Air is a rarer medium. Okay, this we know that which is denser medium here? Water. Water is which medium? Denser medium. This rarer medium is what here? Air. So it will bend away from the normal. Look here now how the bending is here, students. Look here. Now this, as the light will go at this surface, it will comes on this surface, it will not go straight, it will bend away from the normal. And when the observer observe from this point, it will observe, it will looks like that this is not coming from this point on from the tip. It will it looks like there, because we will feel only that light travels in a straight line. We can't, our eyes will not observe that no, there is a bending of light. So what, when actually here it is bending of the light at this surface, but it appears us that the light is coming straight from this point. Okay, so this is a reason why the pencil appear as bent at the surface separating the two media when it is in the water, because the light is coming from which medium? Denser medium to rarer medium. When it goes from denser to rarer medium, it will bend away from the normal, and so that's why it will appear as bended. Clear? Move to the next. Same is the example. Next, it is given to us, the coin appears the up in the water when the observer observes from outside. The reason is same, refraction of light from denser to rarer medium, light bend away from the normal, and the coin appear up. Actual position is what? At the bottom, but because of the bending of light, in which way? Away from the normal, it appears up. Now very interesting example you can see here, students, what they are. So students, now what we are observing here, a glass which is full of water. Now water is which medium? That is a rarer medium. Water is which medium? It is denser medium. And air is which medium? Rarer medium. So when we observe the arrows, we will see that the arrows are looking as reversed. Why? The light rays of from the arrows, they are bent two times, once entering the water and again when they are leaving. This bending causes the sides of arrow to cross over and appear flipped or reversed, as it was in the case of pencil. Pencil appear bent in water. Why? Due to the refraction of light. How? As it passes from one medium to another, the light travel there from air to water, and its slowdowns and change in the direction causes the submerged part of pencil to appear bent. There are so many other examples, like swimming pool appears shallow, then actually it is due to the refraction of light from denser to rarer, which is away from the normal. I hope this lecture is clear to you, refraction of light. If it is clear to you, kindly subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, students. Thank you.